everybody, and welcome back to my channel. If you've never seen my face before, hello, my name is Courtney B and I'd like to welcome you to my channel. And if you are an oldie but a goodie subscriber, hey girl, welcome back. So you already know I'm in the same outfit. This is part 3 to my fall decor haul. I am super excited to finally haul this for you guys so I can start my decorating, because honestly, right now when I'm filming this, it's August 31st. I should have started my fall decorating the beginning of August, because I want to get all of the use of my fall decor that I can. But anyway, I have a collective haul for you guys. I have Dollar Tree, have Walmart, and a little bit of Hobby Lobby. So it's not going to be too long, but I did purchase a lot of things. So if you'd like to see what all I purchased, just keep on watching. So the first thing, I guess we'll start with Hobby Lobby. I only purchased one thing. I purchased this porch sign that says gather. And it's a really big sign, and it says gather here. I got this from Hobby Lobby. It was 66% off because this is from their spring shop. I'm just gonna use it for my fall decor on my porch because I thought this looked like it could work for any season, honestly. And it was $39.99 before the discount. I think I got this for like between $13 and $15, somewhere in there, but I got that for my porch. Next place that I went is Walmart, and I got a couple things from Walmart. First, from Walmart, I got a sign. No shocker here, and it just says welcome to our home, and it has a little pumpkin accent in the middle. It's just like a wooden sign, and this was $4.98, and it's just like really good quality. It looks like something that would be at Home Goods, honestly, because this is really nice quality, and for under $5 you can't beat it. So the next thing I purchased is also from Walmart, and it's just like my favorite purchase ever. I got this gnome. And can you see him? Not just any gnome, honey. He looks like my boyfriend. I'm gonna put up a video or a picture of what my boyfriend looks like. And I got this gnome because my boyfriend's a redhead, and so like he just looks like my boyfriend, like the beard and everything. So I'll call him Billy Jr. because my boyfriend's name is Billy. And Billy Jr. was $4.54. And this is so cute. I thought it was funny. He didn't find it funny because he says he doesn't look like a gnome, but he does look like this gnome, and I'm going to cherish this gnome forever because it just reminds me of my boyfriend. And like, since he's on the road driving trucks, we rarely get to spend time together, so this is going to be my little piece of him in the house. But the next two things I got are pillows, and I just got 2 little pillows. These were $5.94 a piece, and this one is just the orange and white plaid, and it says hello fall. And then I got this one, which has a pumpkin and a little gold leaf, and it's like this burlap pillow. And this one was also $5.94 as well. So I just thought I would place these in random places in my living room where I thought they could use a little fall decor and just spruce it up a little bit. And they're really nice pillows for like $5.94. They're really nice pillows. They have a nice little weight and a nice little fluff to them. So they're really nice for $5.94. Don't sleep on Walmart. Sorry if the video cut off. My boyfriend called. He's down close to this way, so I'm gonna go eat lunch with him. So that's why the video cut off. But I was just talking about the pillows. They're really nice for $5.94. Next store that I went to is Dollar Tree. Like, I've been seeing everybody's Dollar Tree be stocked up with fall stuff, and the ones around my house haven't been like that. But I found one close to my job that I went to, and it was full of stuff. So I kind of got carried away there. So I'm gonna be hauling a lot of signs and decorative pieces from there. First sign I got is just like a tabletop sign, and it says autumn greetings. No, I'm sorry, it says autumn blessings. And everything at Dollar Tree is obviously $1 because I don't have a Dollar Tree Plus or anything like that like everybody else. So all these pieces are $1, and it just has this little pumpkin on it. And it's like, I don't know if you can tell, but the autumn blessings is in like white glitter. It's real nice. The next sign I got from Dollar Tree, this one says, every year I fall for pumpkins, bonfires, s'mores, autumn leaves, apples, and you. And this sign, like, do I have to say anything? Because this sign is everything itself. Like, this is really nice. For $1, this right here is $1. Like, do you not see this looks like a Hobby Lobby sign. A sign, sorry, I don't know what I just said. This was like a Hobby Lobby sign, and this was $1. $1? Like, that's just cute by itself. So following that sign, I purchased 2 more signs. These are yard stakes. This one says home sweet home, and it has pumpkins and leaves on it. And it's just like this orange, bluish green, and this brown color at the bottom. And the home is in glitter. And then I got this one that says Friends Gather Here, and just has pumpkin sunflowers on it, and the Friends part is in glitter also. So I purchased these 2 signs to go in my yard, probably one by my mailbox and one by my steps. I don't know how I'm gonna do that, but I just purchased these because you can't beat it. It's just $1, so yeah, it can go outside. I got this sign with a red truck, obviously. I love trucks. This one says Farm Fresh Fall, and it's just a red truck with pumpkins in the back. So the last sign I have, it says Pumpkin Spice and Everything Nice. And this is just adorable. Like, it's real nice. And like the pumpkin and like the ends, the embroidery at the ends and the nice is in glitter. I don't know where I'm gonna put all these signs, but I'll borrow them because they're $1. The next 2 things I purchased from the Dollar Tree are these LED lights, and they're 10 lights, and they just look like little leaves. So I thought I would put some of these on my console table or on my coffee table or my TV stand. So I just picked up 2 boxes of these. Hopefully they work really nice, because I don't know, I've never had lights from the Dollar Tree before. I mean, I can't get mad if they aren't good quality because they were only $1. This bag right here is full of pumpkins. I've seen Dollar Tree have these velvet pumpkins and I went crazy. Like, I got this burnt orange color, and I just got 4 of these. I just got 4 of the burnt orange color, and like they have like this bronze stem and like this pretty burnt orange. Like, this is so cute. These are nice quality, especially for Dollar Tree. Like, Dollar Tree is stepping up their game slowly but surely. Don't sleep on Dollar Tree. They're really nice. And along with the 4 burnt orange pumpkins, you already know what color I had to get for my room. Pink. I mean, my favorite color is pink. So I just picked up 4 of these to go in my room, just randomly placing in my room. Last bag from the Dollar Tree, I purchased some of these hay bales. I got some last year, and I didn't want to keep them because they kept falling apart to put in my storage unit. So I just purchased 4 of these hay bales, and they're like a nice size for $1. So I just picked up 4 of these because I'm just gonna randomly decorate something with these. I don't know. I got this orange pumpkin. I actually got 2 of these. So I got 2 of these orange pumpkins. So I got 2 of these orange pumpkins just to go randomly, probably on my tier tray or something, just to add some fall decorations randomly around the house. And then last but not least, I got more pumpkins, but they're in this gold shade. Okay, y'all, so that is everything. I hope I wasn't talking too fast. I'm in kind of a rush because I'm trying to go get lunch for me and my boo thing. So I hope y'all did enjoy this video. It was quick, probably a little fast, and I do apologize, but I hope y'all liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe down below. Hit that subscribe button and be part of the hashtag Courtney Crew, because I mean, you don't want to miss the fall decorating that I'm going to be doing, because it's a lot, and hopefully it's going to be good. I'm pretty sure it's going to be good, but you don't want to miss that. So if you would, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on my fall decorating, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye, you guys.